In 2023, I was drowning in content. Blog posts, social media, newsletters. It felt like I was working for my content instead of letting it work for me. Then AI came into my life and everything changed. Hi all, I'm Kiara, content strategist, AI writer, and founder of the Museum Creative, where I help creative entrepreneurs simplify their marketing with AI-powered content strategies so they can stay consistent, grow their audience, and protect their creative energy. Today, I want to share a story that completely changed how I work, create, and feel about marketing. Let's rewind to early 2023. I was juggling everything, writing weekly blogs, posting on social media, managing a newsletter, creating strategies for clients, and doing it all alone. I love the creative part, but the volume, the pressure, it was too much. I'd spend entire weeks on one blog post, then run out of energy to show up anywhere else. My ideas started to feel forced. That's when I realized I wasn't just tired, I was burned out. Around the time, I started experimenting with some AI tools like ChatGPT, not as a quick fix, but as a creative assistant. I used them for topic research and brainstorming ideas that aligned with my audience, SEO optimization to refine my keywords, headlines, and structure, content drafting so I could start from something structured instead of a blank page. It was like having an assistant who handled the heavy lifting for me while I focused on creativity and strategy. Within weeks, the change was unbelievable. My creativity skyrocketed because I finally had space to think. My productivity doubled. What used to take me a week, I could now do in a couple of days. I was writing and editing 2 to 3 long form blogs a week without sacrificing quality. And maybe the most powerful part, my enthusiasm for content creation came back. I even got featured in a case study for how I used AI to defeat content burnout. I'll share the link below in case you'd like to read it. That moment felt like proof that AI, when used intentionally, can enhance creativity instead of replacing it. Since then, I've built every part of my business around this balance: AI plus human creativity plus strategy. Because AI alone isn't the answer. It's when you pair it with your unique ideas, critical thinking, expertise, and voice that it becomes transformational. Today, I still use AI in my daily workflow, but it's not just about efficiency anymore. It's about freedom. Freedom to create, to rest, and to grow my business without burning out again. So, if you're in a similar situation as I used to, or if you're tired of the content hamster wheel and want to learn how to use AI without losing your voice, download my free guide below. I'll walk you through the exact workflow I use to stay consistent and creative. And don't forget to subscribe to the Museum Creative for more AI-powered marketing strategies that help you do less but create more. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!